Chargaff's rule. This rule describes that the purines are equal to the pyrimidines. That is, the A and T content will be equal, while G and C amount will also be equal. Although this rule failed to make connection to the other structures of DNA, yet it indicates a symmetrical structure of DNA. Watson-Crick model that designs or that explains that two helical structures are wound together into a double helix, and they have a large major groove alternating with a smaller minor groove winds along the length of the molecule. And the double helix has a diameter of 20 Armstrong. Here you can see in the picture the major grooves on the right side, and below them there is the minor groove. Different forms of DNA are being found as shown in the figure. B, A and Z DNA, which are shown here. These structural motifs of DNA are known to us. A DNA, it is right-handed. Number 2, C DNA, it is also right-handed, and their base pairs are given here. D DNA, Z DNA and B DNA. Among them, mostly the DNA is found in the Z DNA and B DNA form, that is either left-handed or the handed structure. The minor or the major grooves are shown in this figure in the B form of DNA and in the Z form of DNA. What are the importance of these major and minor grooves? The anti-cancer drugs like dactinomycin, they are used for the anti-cancerous treatment, and these drugs, they have to intercalate in these minor grooves. What does the dactinomycin performs? It intercalates in the minor groups of the DNA between adjacent guanine and cytosine pairs, and thus prevents the transcription. When it binds itself between the G and C, the further transcription is stopped. And how it is further being processed or how it is being stopped, it will be discussed later in the later slides. TM. What is the TM? It is the melting temperature of DNA. This temperature explains about the content of GC present in that specific DNA. For example, a DNA obtained from a different source and another DNA obtained from the different source will have different GC content, and on which temperature it will melt, it will show its specificity, rather than the poly-GC tail, which is melted later on because it contains 3 hydrogen bonds which are to be melted for the separation of DNA strands. Now comes the major topic of DNA replication. It is a reaction in which the daughter DNAs are synthesized using the parental DNA as the template. It is the method in which the genetic information is transferred to the descendant generation with the high fidelity, and parental DNA is replicated to the daughter DNA.